Good afternoon, everyone, and thank Daniel for the kind introduction. And found it's very challenging to actually give me a talk just after the launch. It's super and exciting and honored to be here to give this presentation about cost-efficient, high-quality AI for consumer-grade smart home cameras. And this is the agenda today, and I will start with a brief introduction about Wyze and show how we start from building AI to detecting people and eventually detecting anything, and how we build our first camera-only smart home security system with human in the loop, video verification. So importantly, and after all this, I will share some of our secret on making all those AI features affordable on consumer-grade devices. And lastly, I will share our recent work on leveraging the generative AI and large multimodal foundation models, and with the goal to revolutionize smart home. So let's start with a brief introduction about Wyze. And Wyze was founded in July 2017. And our headquarters is in Seattle, Washington. So it's a very beautiful city, and with a mission to make great technology accessible to everyone. At that time, smart home camera was not very popular and very expensive. And a typical smart home camera cost more than $100. Wyze sees this opportunity and debuted Wyze Cam V1 and for a selling price of only $19.99 in 2017. And our users said it is too good to be true, and providing too good to be true value to our users becomes one of Wyze's founding value. And after the launch, Wyze Cam V1 sold over 1 million units in less than 1 year and quickly established a large group of core users. And Wyze and these users are like friends, and these friends are actively using our products and provides lots of feedbacks, very valuable feedbacks, for us to iterate our product. Be friends with Wyze users is another Wyze founding value.